The Roman numeration system had its beginnings between the 8th and 9th centuries BC. They used a base 10 with different symbols used to represent 1, 10, 100, 1000. They used a secondary base of 5 with symbols for 5, 50, and 500. It was partially an additive or repetitive system. A symbol could repeat it up to 3 times in succession. So to count, we'd start with the symbol for 1. For 2, I just repeat the symbol for 1 twice. For 3, repeat the symbol for 1 3 times. But if they needed more than 3 of the same symbol in succession to represent a number, they would either use a subtractive or a combination of symbols. So to form subtractives, we'll place a lower valued symbol to the left of a higher valued symbol. So 1 to the left of 5 would mean we're subtracting 1 from 5 to get 4. We place 1 to the left of 10, we're subtracting 1 from 10 to get 9. Now, we could only subtract the symbol for 1 from the symbol from 5 and the symbol from 10. But we could subtract the symbol from 10, from the symbol for 50 to get 40, and from the symbol for 100 to get 90. And we could subtract the symbol for 100 from the symbol for 500 to get 400, and from the symbol for 1000 to get 900. So if we use the rule, if we consider the rule that we can only repeat a symbol up to 3 times, the largest number we'd be able to create would be 3,999 because we couldn't use 4 of the symbol for 1,000 in a row. To compensate for that, they place a bar over a group of symbols, and that tells them to multiply the value of the symbols times 1,000. All right, so let's look at a sample numeral. To convert this to our own Indo-Arabic system, the first thing we want to do is to identify the subtractives. So the CD is a subtractive, and the IX is a subtractive. So CD is valued at 400. IX is valued at 9. Everything else would be additive. So the symbol for V, that's 5 plus 1. The bar over the symbols indicates multiplication of 1,000. Okay, L, that's 50. X, that's 10. Another X, that's 10. All right, so the 5 plus 1, that's 6 times 1,000, so 6,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. That gives us 6,479. Now, if we wanted to convert a Hindu-Arabic numeral, such as 49,797, to a Roman numeral, we're going to expand it to 49,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 7. So for the 49,000, I can break that down into 40 plus 9 times 1,000. So 40, that's a subtractive. It's XL. 9, that's a subtractive, IX. Now to indicate that we want it multiplied by 1,000, I'll just put a bar over it. Now 700, there's no symbol for 700. It's not a subtractive, so I'll use a combination of symbols. I could use the symbol for 500 and then 200. Symbol for 500 would be D. And to represent 200, I'll just represent the symbol for 100 twice. 90 is a subtractive. Now, 7. There's no symbol for 7. It's not a subtractive, so I'll use a combination of symbols. I'll use 5 plus 2. That is the symbol for V. Now for 2, I'll repeat the symbol for 1 twice. There's our Roman numeral.